primary two. How are you? Hi again. Hello. How are you? Salam alaikum. How are you? We miss you so much. We're going to continue, inshallah, our last lesson. It's we have a little bit left in the lesson, so let's continue. We're going to continue to estimate or round to the nearest hundred. Can you read this word? It's hundred. Do you know the hundreds? Okay, let's first let's count by hundred. Can you count by hundred primary two? Huh? Yes. 100. 200. Ooh, 300. Can you say it before me? 400. Yes, 500. What's next? 600. 700. 800. 900. Excellent. Good job. 900. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now can you read this number? What's this? What's this? It's a part of the number line. What's this? 800. Can you count here by 10? 810, 820, 30, 840, 850, 860, 870, 880, 890. What's the next 10? 900. What does he want? He wants to see 830 is closer to which hundred? Where are the hundreds? The 800 and the 900. So 830, is it closer to 800 or 900? Let's do first. First we're going to do what? We're going to put a square around the middle number. What's the middle number here? Which number is in the middle? Yes, 850. Now, what are we going to do next? We're going to circle the number on the number line. This number, 830, where is it? Yes, here it is. 830, here it is. Now, 830 is closer to 800. This distance is smaller than this distance. So, I'm going to go to 800. So, 830 is closer to 800. And we're going to go back. So, this is called rounding down. We round down here. We go back. Okay? So, let's see another example. Now, here, our number line 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, then 500. So our 100 before is 400 and 100 after is 500, and he's asking us about 480. What are we going to do? We're going to put a circle, a square around the middle number, and we're going to put a circle around our number. Now, where is this number? Is it closer to the 100 after, or is it closer to the 100 before? Yes, it's closer to the 100 after. So 440 is closer to 500. Good job. 440, 480 is closer to 500. Good job. Good job, primary 2. Let's see another example. Here our number line starts with 600, ends with 700. Now he's asking about 635. Where's 635 on our number line? First, let's circle our middle number. Yes, and then we put 635. Where is it here? Between 630 and 640. Put a circle around our number. So, is it closer to the 100 before or closer to the 100 after? Yes, I hear you saying it's closer to the 100 before. 600. This distance is smaller than this distance. Okay, so 635 is going to be rounded down to, we're going to go back to 600. Good job. Primary 2, let me teach you a quick way to solve this without drawing the number line. What are we going to do? Look here, we will need to estimate to the nearest 100. So step number 1, this is the number. Okay, we want to estimate. We're either go back to the 500 or we're going to go up to the 600. So step number 1, make a circle around the 100 place. Where is the 100 place here? It's the 5. Yes, so we're going to circle the 100 place. And step number 2, look at your 10. Where's the 10? Yes, it's the 4. Now what shall we do next, miss? What shall we do? Now what shall we do? Look, if your tens is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, what are we going to do? We're going to go back. If your 10 here is 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, go back. You're going to go back to the 100 before. You're going to round down. You're going to round down, go back to the 500. So here, estimation here is 500. What about this number? We have 563. Our tens is 5. Our hundreds is 500. Our tens is here 6. What shall we do now? If your tens is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you're going to do what? You're going to round up. You're going to round up. Means you're going to go to the 100 after. What's the 100 after 563? It's 600. So this will be rounded to 600. Okay? Now let's try some examples and practice. Let's practice here. What is he asking us to do? Round the following numbers to the nearest 100. You have to learn how to read. Look, he's asking you about the 100. This is our number. Okay, read it. 740. So it's 740. So what are the first step is what? Yes, put a circle around the 100. Look at your tens. If your tens is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then you're going to round down. Excellent, round down. So we are going to go to the 100 before, which is 700. Yes. Next example here. This is the number, read it, 259. Now, what are we going to do? Yes, step number 1, circle your 100 place. Look at your tens, and then your tens is what? 5. So if your tens is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you're going to round up. Yes. So we will go to the next 100. Good job. Good job, primary 2. Let's see another example. Now read the number 580. It's 580. So step number 1, a circle around the 100. Step number 2, look at your tens. Your tens is 8, so you're going to round up. Yes, excellent. So you're going to go to the next 100, which is 600. Good job. Excellent. Good job. Now, next example. Now you tell me what shall I do here? What shall I do? Hurry up. Can't hear you. Yes, excellent. Put 100. Put a circle around the 100. And look at your tens. So, am I going to round up or round down? Yes, good job, primary 2. I'm going to round down. I'm going to go to the 900. Excellent. Excellent. Good job. Now we're going to estimate sum and difference to the nearest, what? He said 100. We have to read carefully. Okay, let's see our example. This is what? 180. And this is 710. What does he want to do? Add or subtract? He wants to add. We're going to estimate. Okay, so let's estimate. First, estimate this number 180. Our tens is 88, so we're going to round up, so it becomes 200. Now here our tens is 1, so you're going to round down, so you're going to go back to 700. Let's add the estimate. Yes, 2 plus 7 is 9, and all the 200 and 700 is 900. Okay, let's add and see if our estimate is close to the real number or not. So here 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 7, next digit 8, so it's 890. Is it close to 900? Yes, 890 is close to 900. Okay, let's do another example. 590 plus 200. Now, is he going to add or subtract? Now he's going to subtract. Plus minus 280. Now let's estimate. Are we going to round up or down? Yes, we're going to round up to the 600. Now here, are we going to round up or down? We're going to round up because this tens is 8. Our tens here is 8. 300, and we're going to subtract. What will we have? 600 minus 300, so 6 take away 3, we will have 300 left. Let's do the subtraction and see if our estimate is close to the subtraction or what. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3, so it's 310. Is it close to the 300? Yes, it's so close. Okay, so good job, great work, primary 2. I hope that you understand. Bye, see you soon, inshallah, in our next video or our next explanation. See you soon. Bye bye.